Have you ever heard this sound? It's called the hum, and it's real. From Canada to the UK to New Zealand, people describe a low, constant vibration, like a diesel engine idling far away. But here's the strange part. Most people can't hear it at all. Scientists have blamed everything from power lines to ocean waves to tinnitus. But tests often find nothing. Some think it's psychological, others believe it's coming from deep within the earth. Or even something we haven't discovered yet. The hum remains one of nature's weirdest mysteries. Have you ever heard it?